I'm Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to yet another No Limits track day, and this time we are heading out to a track I've never tried before. We are going to the Brands Hatch GP circuit, which I'm really excited to go and do. Now I'm going to be doing all the usuals, so I'm going to be using the Smallboys Track hire bike and I'll be on the ZX636, and at the same time I'm going to be out using my GoPro with the GPS turned on, so I'll be using race chrono. Also, obviously I'm also going to be wearing my Helite airbag vest, and I'll be telling you a little bit more about that in just a second, so stay with me as I take you along for the ride. Okay, so we're here at Brands Hatch and we're just about to head out onto the GP circuit. Now, before I do so, I just want to quickly talk to you about my wonderful Helite airbag vest. I'm never going out on track unless I am wearing this, and if you are a road rider, if you're a track day rider, or if you're even a horse rider, then this is really worthwhile checking out. Now, there is a link for you down here, down below, and this is going to give you £50 off if you decide that you want to purchase something, and it also gives me a little bit of a kickback to help service this vest for the future. So we're going to head out now. We're going to get out and enjoy the track. I'm going to have the GPS on, so we're going to do all the overlays as usual and hopefully give you all the telemetry before getting into the full session. So hope you enjoy and come along for the ride. Okay, so I'm just about to head out onto the fourth session. Well, actually I've already been, but you guys are just about to watch it. So fourth session was actually the first one after lunch for me. Slightly slower than some of the other laps, but still lots of fun. So I'm going to guide you through the analytics and come along and have a look and enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're going to dive into the analytics for this session and quickly run you through the layout of what you see on screen. So at the top left hand side here, what we have is a heat map showing the speed as we go around the course section, and then you can see here this is color coded, so what's in blue is the lower sections or slower sections, and what's in red here is the quicker sections. As we then move into the middle here, we then get to see the lap times and the sector times, and we can see the fastest lap here is lap 6 at a 1 minute 51.43, and the slowest lap is a 1 minute 49, so just nudging the 2 minutes here. As we move over to the right hand side, what we then get to see is the two videos alongside each other. So the white lap, which is the quickest one, is the first video, and the red lap is the second one. As we then move down to the bottom, we then get to look at the speed, the power and the lean angle. So this one is quite interesting to see the difference. There's quite a lot throughout this lap where we can see the speed curve is definitely down on the red lap in comparison to the white lap. And as we go through and look at these different sections, it's also very clear to see why. So as we look at the two videos, what we can see is in between these two laps, I'm basically following another bike, as you can see here, and where I'm really struggling is basically trying to see if I can do my usual speeds in particular corners and particular sections where, for want of a better phrase, he's getting in the way and is slowing me down. And this is quite evident as we look at the different speeds that I'm doing as I go through this. I'm very clearly slower on the red lap than I am on the white lap, where I'm doing my own speed. So in essence, it basically knocks me back by about 8 seconds for this particular lap. But what we're going to do now is focus on the quicker lap. So we're going to focus on lap 6. I'm going to give you a live overlay now so that you can actually see lap 6 with the live analytics along with the video, and then we're going to open it up and show you the entire session. So enjoy!
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.